And once we go through this once, I'll stop. I won't bug you with it anymore. All right. So you have sun shining on the surface of the earth. I'll draw pictures as I go. And there's a puddle. Could be ocean or whatever. Sun shines down on this, and it causes the speed of these water molecules in here to do what, Parker? As the sun shines down on the surface of the water, what happens to the speed of those water molecules? They speed up. Very good. And that causes the water molecules to do what? To evaporate or condense? Marley. When these water molecules get hotter and they speed up, do they evaporate or condense? Evaporate. Good. So that means they turn to a gas, and then they're a gas that's right here. In their state of matter, when they evaporate, to evaporate means to turn from a what to a what? Miles. Liquid to a gas. So they turn from a liquid to a gas, and then they actually start to go up. And this is because the volume, I'm going to draw it like a bubble. Just imagine a gas bubble there. When the gas heats up, what happens to the volume of that gas bubble? Vince, close your Chromebook. What happens to the volume of the gas bubble when it heats up? Heat up some gas. Does it shrink or get bigger? It expands. Okay, so the gas starts to expand. It's getting bigger. And what does that do to the density of the gas when it gets bigger? Declan. Become more dense or less dense? Less dense. Good. And when the density decreases, does that make it rise or sink? Prosper. Rise. Good. All right. As the air starts to rise, I'm going to draw it up here. Here's the gas rising. Is there stronger pressure or weaker pressure up there? Xavier. Is there stronger pressure or weaker pressure as you go higher?
I don't know, weaker, I think.
Weaker pressure. Good. And because of the weaker pressure up there, what happens to the gas? Does it get compressed or does it expand? Eli. Expand, yeah. And because of the expansion, what does that do to its temperature? Lily. 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 When this gas expands, does that make it heat up or cool off? Take a guess. Heat up? No, it cools off. So when you compress a gas, it heats up. When it expands, it cools off. So when this gas cools off, that causes the molecular motion of the molecules to speed up or slow down. Parker. Cooling, what does it do to the speed of the molecules? Slows down. And Declan, if this cools down and the molecules slow down, what does water in that, what does this gas do? It turns from a gas to a, cool it down, liquid. Turns to a liquid. And then we have a cloud. I won't put you through the last part. We've got 5 more minutes. You can stand at the door or whatever you need to do. Yeah, people are just packing up early.